Hello students, today I am going to discuss the two topics, that is the need of the constitution. Why do we need the constitution? Understand? And second one, that is the demand for the right of in India. So the first, the topic that I am going to discuss, that is the need of the constitution. As an Indian, India is a diverse country and different culture, different tradition, different linguistic people are living. So to run the country in a better way and a best way, we requires the rules, regulation. We need constitution to govern the country. Now, what we achieve through the constitution, what the constitution does. So number one, it specifies that how the government will be constituted and who will govern the country and who will have the power to take the decision for the entire country. Number two, it lays down the limits on the power, and it also guide the people, and it also respect the right of the people. Number third, its main aim is to create the good citizen in the country. We can call it disciplined peoples are being created through the process of the rules and regulation and the constitution. It generates, number four, it generates trust and cooperate among each other with the different groups of the people, those who are living together in the country. So in such a way, it is very much helpful for the people of the country and for the government to run the country and do the welfare in a peaceful manner. So constitution is very important for us. Now I am coming to the India and demand of the right of the Indians. You know, India was also governed by the Britishers. Same procedure that I discussed in the previous class regarding the South Africa, they also struggle a lot, and Indian people also struggle a lot in the country. And same way, there was a many consequence that they suffered with the white ruling powers, and in India, Indian National Congress was there. Those who was having the those who are having the responsibility to make the country free. So they led the national movement in India. So the Indian National Congress at its Karachi session in 1931 passed a resolution of the fundamental right as well as for the economic policy. This resolution expresses the hopes and the aspiration of the people. It speaks about the right, about the freedom of speech, right to form the union, association, development of regional language, removal of the caste and religion, establishment of the secular state, abolition of the untouchability, and universal adult franchise. So you will find out that the Constitution of India guarantees right preciously adopted by the Karachi Congress. Those rights are absolutely basic to a good democracy. For the good democracy, In 1936 also, Jawaharlal Nehru presided over the Congress session at the Faizpur. The Faizpur session was very much important, and here Nehru had stressed on the democracy and socialism as the ideal that the Congress should try to follow the socialism. Jawaharlal Nehru meet the ending of the hunger and the poverty. As we know, civil and the political right are not enough. No one can exercise his rights to vote freely so long as he is a victim of hunger and poverty. So, constitution of the country is very important, and we will discuss more about the Constitution of India in the next class. Thank you.